Hi guys, Medicine Woman in the Woods here. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I make new videos. So tonight this video is raw pineapple vinegar. It's pretty easy to make. Excuse me. It's made with pineapple skins and the pineapple heart. You use sugar with this to ferment it. You can use brown sugar, coconut sugar, or I use cane sugar. I prefer the cane sugar. It's just sparkling. It's beautiful. Look how yummy that looks. And did I say cloves? Yes, I did. And you're going to need some hot water too. This has already been boiled and cooled. That's basically just to make the sugar dissolve. So let's start with that. We're going to dissolve the sugar. So what this vinegar does, many things for the body, so healthy. Everybody should be having this vinegar. It's double of what apple cider vinegar is. Like, the medicinal properties are crazy. So this is actually a video that I'm making for one of my viewers on my Medicine Woman in the Woods page. She's going to use it for arthritis, because after this ferments, then you can actually apply it right to the skin for arthritis and joint pain, and it'll take the pain away. Plus, it's lovely to put on salads or just have a teaspoon of it every day, or a tablespoon, or 3 or 4 tablespoons. So good for you. I'll put a link at the bottom of the medicinal values what this raw pineapple vinegar does. So that's pretty good. That looks nice and dissolved now. That's it for a second. Next, I have a mason jar that's been sterilized. I'm going to start putting in pineapple skin. Okay, what was in that? Sorry guys. This was half a cup, because I do small little vinegars. Half a cup of the cane sugar and half a cup of water. Okay? Sorry about that. I should have said that in the beginning. So we've got the heart, and we've got the skins with a little bit of pineapple on it. I don't want to stuff it too tight because I want to be able to put most of my liquid in it. That juice coming out. Lovely. So lovely. So this is nice now. This is great. This is the half a cup of water and the half a cup of cane sugar. And dump that in. That's perfect, just for like the half mason jar, the half liter. Now we're going to add some cloves to it. Where this is small, I'm just going to put maybe, what do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4 in there, 5 in there. That might be a lot, but I like it like that. And cloves are very medicinal for you too, so everything in this is pretty great medicine. So what you're going to do now, see how easy that was? So beautiful. You're going to cover it like this with a piece of cloth. You could use paper towel, I guess. I prefer to do a cloth. And all that really is for is so like fruit flies or bugs don't get in it. It's winter now, so there's no fruit flies and bugs, but it's still good just to put this on anyhow. That's it, guys. That's completely all that you're going to do. Now you're going to set this in a cupboard, like a dark spot, a nice cool spot, not too hot, not too cold, a nice cool spot for 2 to 4 weeks. And actually, if you can, take it out every couple days. Take the top off and just give it a little stir. That'll help a lot. You're going to notice that when you're stirring it, you'll see maybe like something growing on the top. Don't be worried about that, because that's probably the SCOBY that's growing because it's fermenting. So the SCOBY is good. Now if you see like a mold on the top, don't worry about that either. Just scrape it off and throw it away. But you'll know the SCOBY The SCOBY, it's bacteria and yeast, which is a good bacteria and a good yeast, so it's great. It'll start to grow. Now, after 3 weeks, taste it. If it tastes like vinegary, because after 2 weeks it's going to be still sweet. When you smell it, it's going to smell so sweet and taste sweet. After 3 weeks, it's going to taste like vinegar and smell more like a vinegar. That's when it's ready. So if it doesn't smell like a vinegar in 3 weeks, go to 4 weeks and it will smell like a vinegar. And then you'll see the SCOBY in there, the mother. You're going to take that out. When you drain it, you're going to take it out and you're going to keep a little of this vinegar and you're going to put it in it, and you're going to put that back into the cupboard in a cool, dark spot. And you're going to use that next time you go to make your vinegar, and it's going to speed up your fermenting time. If you put the SCOBY in and then all of your ingredients, it'll be ready in a week and a half to 2 weeks if you have a nice sized SCOBY in there. So, and then you just take that one out and just continue doing that, stocking up on your SCOBYs. Then you could do a great big container if you want, put some SCOBYs in. It takes no time for it to ferment, and it's going to be like bubbly and smell really nice. It's so fun to do, guys. So this is a great one to have in your medicine cabinet. So easy. You're using the pineapple skin and the pineapple heart, which is so wonderful. Nothing's going to waste. I can see it start